back with Flash Center. So today we're going to be doing glow-in-the-dark swords. We're doing an unboxing video about glow-in-the-dark toys. So first one we're be doing glow-in-the-dark swords. I got my army die to do it. Hi guys, I'm flying. Ouch. Alright.
Let me see the swords.
It's a nut. What the heck?
Yep, you're gonna have to open it. Tiny, tiny little package for those tiny little swords.
Mom, you don't have to do it.
Okay, let me see
I
it.
can't do it. Guys, they're so hard.
Okay, see that? I got it right there.
Like ding ding dong dong ding ding dong. Yep.
Got it put together?
Shine.
That's really awesome. So the sword is glow in the dark?
Yep.
How many do you have?
This is the last one. One, two, three, four. So guys,
Sweet.
so I can't do too many. I'm just gonna put one on him.
Let me see them. That's awesome, dude.
He broke his legs, guys. Look.
Oh no. What?
I don't want to do these. They look.
You can do your bricks first. That's fine.
I really want to do these.
We'll do those in a minute. Let's see what those are first.
So these are the ones
Dylan's really
that
excited about this other set we're going to show you guys.
are bricks.
So, Strictly Bricks, our favorite new building bricks. And what are these?
Glow in the dark.
And it's the glow-in-the-dark tower.
So
Oh my gosh, that color is
they
awesome.
came in with blocks.
Yeah.
I've never had one that came in with blocks. So this is I'm excited.
You're excited?
That's the color.
I love that color. Have you guys ever seen Legos this color? So cool. And with Strictly Bricks, of course it's the tower, so you can always build on both sides. That's why they're our favorite.
Not like the not really fun ones, like the old one where they can't like connect.
Right, but these
So
ones
these-
can.
Yeah, but these ones are the new ones.
Yeah,
These
they're
are
awesome.
our new ones, luckily. Yep.
Okay, so
These are glow in the dark.
yeah, those are the glow-in-the-dark wall stickers.
Yeah, we don't need these ones. We don't need these ones. Oh, we should put these on different sides.
Yep,
And
because he does have some on his wall right there.
And look,
That's the sun. Oh, look at that. Man, these have lots of detail. That is awesome. Has all the planets, and it comes with like some stars.
all right, guys.
Hey,
Yay.
let's open this up so we can show him. He's super excited, you guys, to open these up. Okay, should we have you just open those up real quick? All right, open them up. First, show me in the package. What are these things? What's so special about them?
Glow in the dark.
Yes, the wheels glow in the dark, you guys.
Guys, if you're not a huge fan of this, I'm sorry, but we're just doing it. But these ones are new. So if you guys don't like the old ones, then just buy these new ones.
They're always hard to break into, aren't they?
Yeah. But not the like single ones. Those are easy.
Yeah, those ones are easy to get into. Let me help you?
No, I got it.
Okay.
Ouch. I almost like ripped my whole fingernail off.
Be careful.
I know. Names are deadly. Yeah, guys, these are really painful with your nails. Kind of like need a little like pocket knife or something to open them.
Here, let me see that real
Pretty
fast.
hard. Guys, can you get
Okay,
me
right there.
out? Can you get me out? Oh, there we go. Oh my
Sorry, we just had the brick tower sitting on top of you.
It's
Good thing we
alright.
hadn't built it yet. There you go.
Alright guys, now let's see. So guys, we got some monster trucks down there. We're gonna be playing. We got a visual video coming up soon. I'm not really good at this, guys. So if you guys don't really like what I'm doing, say something you do a lot.
There they go. There
Is
they
that
go.
all of them?
There's 5 of them, I believe.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, yeah, I was right. 5.
Do you see all 5 of them?
Yeah.
Alright.
So look guys, we got this one. And then this one, pretty cool.
Here, let me see it. Oh, yeah, I do
And
like that
then
one.
this one is the electric.
Oh, that one's cool.
With some machine guns on back. With some machine guns on that.
Oh. Yeah, that might be the exhaust pipes, though.
Yep. So, alright guys, let's play with them. Alright.
Look, here's this really cool truck.
Yeah, alright guys, want to see the monster trucks?
Or I guess it's a car, huh?
This is my new one.
Oh, yeah, he just
I got him.
got the new shark one today from McDonald's. Has the
I got the bowl.
monster trucks and the bull. And show them what the Happy Meal box.
These ones are
Does.
special. They have a ramp.
Yeah, you can make a ramp out of your box. It's really cool.
Alright guys. Mama.
Where's your other car? Let me see that green car over there. Let me see it. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Okay, I count 4. Where's the 5th car? You guys, do you guys see the 5th car somewhere?
Guys, look.
Where's the 5th car?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You guys, I can't find it. Where's it at?
There's only 5. 1,
Yeah, I only count 4 there.
4, 5,
Oh, look.
7.
It's hiding. It went on a road trip. It's clear over here. Let me see it.
This one's really cool.
I do like that one. very
This one
pretty
is
color.
my favorite.
That one's your favorite? Why is that one your favorite?
Just because like the red and look at it. Like this. Oh, and look guys, it has like little mini lights. Like,
That
a
is
little
cool.
Bumper. And another one right there.
Dylan, look at these glow-in-the-dark wall stickers. That one's Saturn. You guys see that?
Saturn.
That's awesome.
They do not glow.
They don't?
Look.
Well, you have to hold these ones in the light. They have to be in the light to be activated for like 5 minutes. There's Venus. That would be Venus right there. That
No, that's the sun.
would be Mars. No, look, this is the sun.
Here's Big Papa.
Oh, and look, there's us.
I don't
There's
get it.
us.
This is up in base. I don't get it.
I like Mercury. That one's cool.
I don't.
Oh, this one is so pretty. There's Neptune.
I don't know.
Oh, I like this one a lot too. That's Uranus. And then the little stars. I like this set. Oh, wait, we're missing one. That one's Jupiter. Did you know that on Jupiter, see all these little bands?
Yeah.
Those are like mega storms. Did you know that?
Look, this base. Look at the swords of savage.
It's gonna burn up on the
This one was
sun.
hiding. Under there.
Yeah, and blend in, huh?
Look, imagine.
So, what can you tell them about this video that we're doing on these glow-in-the-dark toys?
We're gonna do a special upload video, guys.
Yes.
Alright, guys, let's play with these.
Yeah, we gotta build the tower. Let's build this tower.
We can put our cars in there.
Exactly. We can.
Can you go-
It could be like a parking garage, huh?
Yeah, those I was thinking like one of those ones. we can make an elevator.
That would be super cool, dude.
We just need 1, 2. Oh, there's more.
Yeah, those are going to be how to build the tower. So as we're building it, put them out all 4 corners and stack them up. So we have 4 of these. I still love this color. And you guys, these already just coming out of the pack when it's dark. It doesn't even have to be that dark, but right now I can already tell that they're glow in the dark. See? I bet they'll glow in the dark a little bit underneath here. You can kind of see already. Okay, so did you get those open?
No.
All right.
I need you to.
Huh?
Say what? Say something.
Okay, let's see. Let's open these. Okay, can you get them out there for me? There we go. Oh, these are awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, look, they're just these little pieces like this.
Look, ow. Ouch.
You gonna try to karate chop them open, huh?
It hurt, yeah. Ow. Hey, I'm wrong. Guys, don't mess with me. I can break the toys.
Okay, look. We need to put okay, keep that together because look. There's 2 in between each base plate. So 2 high. Nope. That one goes over here. Let me see it.
No, we need it built.
We will, but we want to use all the base plates for the garage, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
Got it?
Give me
Okay, now we're going to put this on top. Line it up, just press it down. Second one. Line it up, press it down. Line it up, press it down. Man, that stays good.
I'm gonna do it like this way.
Are you?
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot a step, you guys. I did.
What?
Here, maybe I can get it in there. It looks like there's also in the middle, you put 2 of them in the middle stacked up too. So it gives the middle part some structure. Okay, just a second. Okay. And we'll put it, I think.
Just like right now.
Yeah, that looks like the center, doesn't it? Yeah, that way it's stronger. It gives it more support.
Yeah.
Okay, just a second. Are you building the other ones?
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna build them. We're supposed to do them down here.
Yeah. Just wait. Okay, I got all that. Okay, we'll put this one in the center. Yep, got it. Okay, now put your little things on each corner.
I know. That's what I'm doing.
Oh, I see. That's the easy way to do it, huh?
Oh.
Got it upside down. There you go. Okay, now we can, I got the center one on there already, so now we can just line this one up and stick it on the corner there. You got it?
Yep.
Okay, get that one.
There we go.
Perfect.
Alright, guys.
It's coming along. We have one more layer.
Wait, we can do this. We don't, oh, can we not have another layer?
Yeah, we gotta have the top on it.
I don't want it on it.
Yeah, it'll be cool.
Fine.
Okay.
But I want to like do this.
You do?
I want to like make it like up here where cars can be parked. Like
Yeah.
where.
Yeah, but we'll have this one. So
Mama,
on the top,
Mama,
we can do it on the top. It'll
I
just
don't
make
want to ruin the video, but
make it. You won't. What? What do you want to do?
I don't want to have a top. I want it to be like where cars can be parked up here.
I know what I'm saying is it can just be taller and you still have the top. It's still gonna have the top. Just like that, except for it'll be up here.
No, please.
Okay.
This is how you do. So
What's that gonna be then?
well, this. Oh, these not bricks won't do it. Yeah.
Don't you love these stackable bricks?
Yeah.
They're awesome, huh?
Oh. I wish I could like connect them. But...
Well, these ones are made as
Oh yeah, you can.
well, these ones are made especially for the tower. Those are very special pieces so that you can make a tower.
I don't understand you. Wait, I have a better one.
What?
We can just put it like this.
Yeah.
Like that. There we go. And then we can like go like this.
There we go. Oh, you still have another piece back there too.
You don't need. You know what?
What?
Timber.
Timber.
Alright guys, there it is. It's like a waterfall.
Y-
Yeah, because look, the water pours down here and then
Yep.
yeah. I want. What the heck?
Yep.
Alright guys, let's part the doors. Wait, we need an elevator.
An elevator? Hey, you know what? Strictly Bricks also make these bigger base plates and they have trap doors in them. So like this section right here would actually open and close. We need to get some of those, don't we? But I want to do the glow in the dark tower first.
Guys, let's test them out.
You guys got to check out Strictly Bricks. They have a lot of cool.
Look!
Okay, we can't see it yet.
The,
Oh, we can't see on the camera very good. Hun, turn on the light. It's too dark. They're not quite bright enough. Oh, there's the glow-in-the-dark swords right there. But-
a little bit of light.
Yeah, turn on the light. This stuff, the glow-in-the-dark stuff, has to be in the light for a while because the light charges them, and then they'll be glow-in-the-dark.
But the hot wheels are epic.
Yeah, they are cool, huh?
There's my dad right there.
What's up, guys?
Shoot the dad.
All right, so should we?
What are you making?
It's a tower.
That's awesome.
I know. These are just like stackable ones.
And it glows in the dark. Want to see it?
Yeah.
Well, we can't see it, hon. It hasn't charged enough in the light.
Hold on. All right, hold on. Turn the light back on. Oh no.
Dad.
Turn the light back on.
Dad.
Hurry.
It took forever.
All right. Let's build it.
Dad.
And we're back. Dad broke it.
All right.
Dad,
Pause it
you
and we'll
know-
rebuild it and then we'll resume.
Dad, you know how long that took?
All right, guys. We'll be back in a second.
Hold it. Don't be careful.
Okay, that was a second, right, guys? We got it rebuilt.
Okay.
Don't drop it.
All right, let me see it. We'll put it back together. We're gonna hold it up to the light.
That's what'll charge it, is when you get some light on it for a while.
Well, I'm gonna play with my shotgun. I got a shocking one.
So you see? Turn.
Dad, I know you're gonna drop it right on my face.
No, I'm not. We need to turn the light off now. And check it out.
Think it's ready, Noah?
Yep.
You do?
Yep, it's ready.
Hi, Slip. Slip! Hi, pup. Say hi. Tell everybody hello.
Hi. Hi. Love you, Flippy.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Alright, ready?
Sure. Let's see if it's gonna work. Oh, you guys, look how cool that is.
Look, guys,
I'm gonna
look.
set it down. Can you see it better?
Look, guys, look at the Hot Wheel. Look, Dad.
Amazing.
Look,
Zoom out a little.
look, Dad. You can see the swords.
That's awesome. Stars, you see the stars over here? On the wall?
The wells aren't quite
Mine.
glowing
Look,
yet.
look, guys. Look.
I don't know if you can really see them. No.
Oh, look, guys.
Not yet.
These ones are activated.
Those ones are. Let's see them. Nope, you can't see it
hold
good
on,
enough.
hold on.
All right, turn the light back on.
Alright, let me see them.
All right.
Oh, there's one more.
Are you gonna put these on the wall?
Yeah.
Show
Look.
everybody how you do it.
That looks awesome.
Look, Dad.
Mars is falling. Mars just fell. Watch out. You better not let Jupiter or Saturn or Earth fall on us.
Alright, let's see if you can see them now. You ready?
Look, Dad.
Oh, whoa. Those are crazy bright.
Ready? Here's Saturn.
Look,
No,
Dad.
that's Jupiter.
Oh, that's Saturn.
Saturn has
Oh, yeah,
rings.
Yeah, yeah. You're right.
Is that the sun?
Oh, sure.
Yeah, I think it's the
Where's
sun.
this one? This one ain't glowing yet.
I can't see. Yeah, it's not bright enough yet.
Okay.
I love those stars. They're so bright. They're so much better than
We
the
should
other
stick
ones.
them on the wall. Come back and show them once we have
Yes,
them
because look, just the couple minutes of charging that. So once these things get charged real good, they're going to be super bright. All right, Dylan. So get ready for the second part, huh?
Get ready for the second part.